In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove acne in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by making 2 copies of your background layer. Press Ctrl and J twice on your keyboard, so you end up with 2 duplicated layers above the original image. After that, hide the top copy for now, so we can focus on the layer underneath it. Right-click on the first copied layer and convert it into a smart object. This allows the filters to stay editable later, if you want to make adjustments. Next, go up to the filter menu, choose Noise, then Median. Increase the value slowly until the acne and skin texture begin to blur and soften. For this image, a value around 45 pixels works well. Now, create a solid color adjustment layer. Set the hue and saturation to 0% and the brightness to 50%. Once that is done, right-click on that layer and convert it into a smart object as well, so it remains editable. Change the blending mode from normal to overlay. Then go back to the filter menu, choose Noise, and add noise. Set the amount to 8% and make sure uniform and monochromatic are both selected. After that, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Set the blur radius to 1 pixel. This helps soften the added noise and creates a more natural skin appearance. Now, unhide the top layer. Right-click on it and convert it into a smart object too. Change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. Go to Filter, Other, and then High Pass. Increase the value gradually until some of the natural skin texture starts coming back into the image. This step helps prevent the skin from looking overly smooth or artificial. Once that is finished, select all 3 layers and press Ctrl and G to group them together. Double-click on the group to open the Blending Options window. In the underlying layer section, hold the Alt key and drag the right slider toward the left side. This hides the effect from the brighter highlights. Then do the same with the left slider to reduce the effect in the darker shadow areas. This creates a smoother and more balanced blend across the skin tones. Next, add a layer mask to the group and press Ctrl and I to invert the mask. This hides the effect completely for the moment. Select the brush tool and set the flow to 9%. Make sure your foreground color is set to white. Now gently paint over the areas with acne or uneven skin. As you paint, the smoothing effect will gradually appear in real time, allowing you to control exactly where the retouching is applied, while keeping the rest of the image natural. And that's the final result. This technique creates clean and polished skin, while still preserving texture and detail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.